Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss a compound statement called conjunction. It is formed by combining two or more simple statements by using a connectivity and it is this symbol used for conjunction is this, and if P and Q are two simple statements, then the conjunction statement P and Q is written like this. Okay. Okay. The condition is it is assumed to be true when both the statements are true. Remaining in all other cases, it is false. It is true only when both statements are true. If P is true, Q is true, then only the conjunction P and Q is true. Okay, let us discuss some examples. We'll take two non-empty sets A and B. First statement that X belongs to set A, and second statement Q, X belongs to B, like that we'll take. Now P and Q means X belongs to A and X belongs to B. And means it is common elements for both the sets. Okay, recall the definition from sets. It is a set operation equivalent to A intersection BC. Okay, one more example we'll discuss. Let the first statement be 2 is a prime number, and the another statement 2 is a even number. Okay, so now P and Q, how we can write? 2 is even and prime number. So both statements are true. Therefore, P and Q is also true. Its truth value. Otherwise, if one statement is false, then what we can say? We can't get the truth value. The condition we know for conjunction. Okay, let us prepare a truth table for conjunction. 1 minute. Okay, let us prepare a truth table. Okay. I have to write conjunction, no? Wait a second. Okay, here we are preparing conjunction for P and Q. Here also. See, we know that when two statements are there, how many possibilities are there? Both can be true, or one can be true and another statement can be false. Okay. Similarly, first statement is false, second statement is true, and both statements can be false. Four possibilities are there. Now we'll discuss truth values of P and Q. See, by condition, it is true only when both statements are true. That is possible in first case only. Remaining all cases, it is false. Okay. Now, similarly, we'll write truth values for P and Q and P. Okay. Q and P, when it is true, when Q is true and P is true. This is possible only in first case. Remaining all cases, they are false. If you observe, these truth values of P and Q and Q and P both are identical, then what we can say? P and Q is equivalent to Q and P. Therefore, conjunction satisfy commutative property. Okay. Thanks for watching.